Hi guys, coming back today with a Dollar Tree haul. They've got some of their Halloween and fall decor. I got this mesh tool in like the orange color, which is in the fall section, and then this black one with the purple crafter square part. This is definitely from Halloween. And then I got these little styrofoam. I think I'm gonna use these as like filler or put them in like a cute little glass jar and put them on my tier tray. I'm not sure yet. We'll find out. But they do have glitter. I don't know if you can see that. And then I got the Gunsmoke color skulls and the white skulls as well, styrofoam for like packing peanuts basically. And then I got some of these cute little sweaters because I liked the skinny long legs. And then I got some of these because I have been working with like that putty paste stuff, and I mean 3 knives for $1. And then I was so excited because Christina, who is Lemon Avenue Life, she posted these stickers, and oh my gosh, these, I don't know about the ghosts, but the pumpkins and stuff, these colors right here go perfect with the Frank Garcia Prima Halloween collection. So there was only 3 and I got the last 3. I was so excited to find these because I have a feeling I'm not going to find these back in California. And now I'll show you what else I saw in the store. So at Dollar Tree, looking at some of the new fall, well actually a lot of this I feel like is repeat from last year. There's some new pieces in here. This is all like little wood, that faux wood home decor, some metal little picks for like your yard or planters. And then they also had these, which are the snap closure containers. They had pink, green, orange, and then blue. My Dollar Tree in California, I'm in Arizona right now, did not have any of these. And then a cute little like decor for maybe like your tiered tray, little pumpkins. These are actually like concrete, very heavy pumpkins, glass ones. And then these ones had like even etching in them, kind of like a clay style one. Then for the Halloween stuff, here's some of the wood, like alter it yourself. There's some new pieces like this coffin shaped one, that one with the cross at the top. These ones you can like paint or color and alter. A lot of repeats. This one though, you could get 3 for basically $1. The Wicked and the house and the legs are from last year. Little foam die cuts. This is new. It has a pumpkin die cut at the top and then it's painted black. Here's some ribbons, just, you know, your basic Halloween colors. And then they had this, it's hard to see, it's a witch hat form, and you can make like a wreath with that. I know that's a repeat. And then look how cute these are. These, it's $1, so you're getting 2 for $1, basically 50 cents. And then look how cute this little purple one is. The witch is in, very cute and glittery. Then they had some stickers. These ones are skulls. This one are like a green tint to it, Hocus Pocus theme. And then these ones with like a purple tint to it. And then they also had the like wood veneer ones with glitter on it with a little house. Those are definitely a new shape this year. Some metal, galvanized metal decor. These cute little vase fillers, aka Happy Mail fillers. And then picks. And look at the sweaters, they're new. They have skinnier, thinner legs than the previous years. So I definitely like that. Here's the hands, and then a glow-in-the-dark version. And these little bones are actually styrofoam covered in glitter, so that was super cute. I did grab a pack of those. And then the tool, brought it back again. You got the purple, the orange, and the gold. And then you have your regular chunky tool in purple, orange, and black. And then you have the faux snow in purple, orange, black, and a very bright lime green, almost like a lime yellow color as well. And then all of your like crafter square mesh. Then they had these picks. They had red ones with the black and silver glitter, and then they also had a purple version as well, like the pumpkin and the rose as well. Then they had these flowers, your pipe cleaners, like a glittery black, purples, oranges, witches brooms in orange and purple, just like little like light up lanterns. These are like paper lanterns that you fold, 2 different designs, one in orange, one in white. And you have your like little berry sprigs in orange, black, purple, silver, And then this one's like a kind of like a 2-pack. It comes with like leaves. And then here's the Thanksgiving Gather Together, super cute. I love this little maple style leaf. Lots of coloring and wood veneer all-terrain ones, painting ones. Look how cute and tiny these little hail bays are. So you get 8 of them in a pack, super tiny. These little like super thin, they're very, very thin. I don't even know what that's called when it's that thin. Thinner than chipboard. Your little scarecrows, ribbons, some pumpkin picks and fake corn. Here's the mesh again in like olive, brown, burgundy, orange. I was making sure that was the orange one. And then a mustard, more of a mustard yellow color. And with these guys, the minute you unroll them, honestly, you can barely tell what color it was. So just keep that in mind. Then they brought the little Christmas trucks, but in a Thanksgiving theme. So you got your blue, your red, and your green. Then they have these cute like little velvet pumpkins in pink and like a dark purple. Those ones have been picked through. Little jars, everything's repeat. This is new, but not painted black like on the other aisle, the Halloween version. Particle board. I like the little galvanized details on these. Cute little 2-piece, again, 2 for $1. And then they had placemats that had glitter all around the edges, shaped like a maple leaf, a turkey, a sunflower, and a pumpkin. And then your picks in all sorts of like different sizes and colors. And then these flowers, you could definitely use these not during fall. It's like a really pretty pinky peach, and this one's like a very light color. These ones are dark fall colors, but yeah. And then this section had like the monogram style bins, mason jars, and pumpkin shapes. Super cute. And like they had these ones, and it had like a little galvanized leaf. They had orange and white, and then these ones stand up on their own. All right, so that is everything fall.